There are a lot of ways of making money online nowadays. What if I told you you could earn money just by reading words? Okay, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can make $200 to over $1,000 just by reading words online. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Now before I teach you the steps, I want you to take a look at this. This is your possible earning on this website. And I'm excited to share this because this will be so much money just by reading. As you can see, you can earn up to $249 with just 0 to 2 minutes of work. You can even earn over $1,000 with just 30 to 45 minutes of work. Now, if you divide $1,000 by 45 minutes, that's around $22 per minute. And that's a lot. So stay tuned and watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how it works. Before we proceed, I want you to listen closely. A lot of people do not earn money because they do this wrong way. So I want you to listen up and follow my steps so that you can earn and so that you might even earn double. First of all, I want you to go to voices.com. Once you land on this website, this is exactly how it looks like. As you can see, the voices here are used by the world's most trusted brands, which are Spotify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and so much more. So this website is legit. They pay out to people every single day. So you will receive all the payments via PayPal, via check, or bank transfer. There are also other payout methods, so you don't have to worry. Basically, on this website, there will be a lot of different categories and different projects, which will be available for you. I will also be advising you which category you should choose, which will give you the most amount of money, and also you can select on a whole list of different projects. Once you select your favorite project, they will give you a script or template that contains all the words which you will read. You just have to record your voice and they are going to pay you, depending on how long the project is. You can do it for less than 2 minutes, you can do it for 15 minutes, or you can even do it for over 45 minutes. It all depends on the project. What I love about this site is that they have unlimited opportunities for you. There are a lot of genres here, and there are also new job postings every single day, so you don't have to worry about anything. If there is a project which will only require you 5 minutes of voiceover, then it means all you have to do is take up to less than 10 minutes of work a day, and that's it. You're going to earn money. So if you have nothing to do at home and you have a lot of time in your hands, then you could do whatever you desire here, whether it be a short voiceover or an hour-long voiceover. Okay, now you might be asking me, what if I don't have a microphone? How am I supposed to do this? Well, you do not need a professional microphone. You can use your mobile phone's microphone or you can use your earphones, which have a microphone. You can use your iPhone or your Android device for this. You can record your voice with these gadgets. You don't need to buy a professional condenser mic. You do not also need to show your face for this. You do not have to reveal your identity at all. They will only need your voice for these projects. We don't even have to write anything. All you have to do is just speak and read the script, which they will be providing for us. So that's all you need to do. So for the first step, I want you to sign up, and to do this, I want you to hover your mouse here on the upper right hand corner of your screen and click on the sign up button. After clicking that button, you will land on this page right here and they will be asking you what are you looking to do. There are two options here: hire talent for your projects or find work as talent. Now we have to pick the obvious, right? Now I want to select find a work as a talent. Then we will be redirected here where you will have to sign up as an actor. So you have to put in your full name here, your email address, and your password. You have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then you can continue. But if you want an easy way of signing up, and you can just continue with Google sign up process. So after signing up for an account, you will see a lot of different industries on your dashboard where you can choose from. We have here advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial service, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit, publishing, technology, and video production. So I'll be showing you which category will give us the most amount of money and job which is suitable for any beginner and which works in so many different countries from United States, India, Nigeria, Philippines, Korea, Germany, Norway, and so many other countries all over the world. So the genres which will give you a lot of money and opportunities are education, advertising, and last but not the least, which will probably give you the most amount of money, is gaming. So I want you to focus on these top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs and at the same time will pay you the most amount of money with the least amount of time and work that you will need to spend. So for example, you chose education and you can see right here that there are a lot of different voice actors. There are male and female voice actors right here who are working with Voicescom, and these artists are getting paid every time someone hires them to do a voiceover. So you don't have to worry because there are a lot of options here and you can pick whatever you like and you can earn money just by reading the scripts, those words, and depending on the hours that you're working. So if you want to make more money, you should select jobs that are over 45 minutes long so you can earn over $1,000 whenever you do a project. So once you've signed up and set up your account, you can then come over here to your available jobs and you will find different jobs here online which are hiring right now. As you can see, they pay over $200 and there are a lot of jobs here. Let me just scroll down below and as you can see, there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you. So just as I've said, these jobs do pay a lot. All you have to do is just browse or whatever you like here and then give it a shot. So let me show you a sample script for the blogs, which is also one of the top paying categories here. So they will be providing sample scripts here on this website and you have to read them. So you'll see the name of the client here, the voice age which they are looking for, the gender, the job description right here. So actually this is just an example because I just want to show you how it looks like if you are going to be hired. So all the information can be found here and then below you can see what category it is, what industry, what style, language, the accent they want, and the word count. So they have a script here for a 60-second podcast intro. They also have a 30-second podcast intro. And finally, they also have a 15-second podcast intro. This website has also an application that will be available on your mobile phones. So even if you're just laying down or doing whatever you're doing, you can do this because this is available in your App Store or Play Store. So all you have to do is read the script or whatever script they're going to give you, and then that's it. You're going to make money just by reading words. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.